Hello students, today I am once again here with Standard 9 History Chapter 1. Still we are in History Chapter 1, French Revolution. We are going very slowly, topic wise, only because for you. History, everybody knows it is a boring subject and it will become more boring when anything about history you will go through for 10 to 15 minutes, keeping in mind other videos of different subjects are also there which you have to watch. Automatically, you will try to ignore this as you people always think it is a means psychology of students that we have to memorize it. So, I am taking it topic wise. Today, my topic is what was the condition of women in the France before the revolution, and next topic will be what was the condition of women after the revolution. But first, we will see the condition of women during the revolution, that is, French Revolution. Women in France did not have a respectable position in the society. They were considered much inferior to men before the revolution. Most of them of the third state had to work for their living. Means women also go out for working to help the family's financial condition. They worked. What are the work they used to do? They work as seamstresses or laundresses, sold flowers, fruits, vegetables at the market, or were employed as domestic servants in the houses of wealthy people, maid servants. Most women did not have access to education or job training. Only daughter of influential families or families from nobles, clergies of the third state, or the daughters means not third states, daughters from them, nobles, clergies, or from the third states, from the wealthier persons, businessmen, professionals, could be would get education in France at that time before the revolution. Working women had to take care of their children. Although you go out for working, when you return back, you have to look after their children. Now they had to cook food at home, fetch water from outside, queue up for breads, means they have to make line for getting bread from the market, from the shops, and look after their children also. Their wages were always lower than those of men. They used to work more hours than it is the natural thing. Now, women work maximum hours than the men, but they used to get less wages. Or if you see the house women, they housewives or housewomen, those who work in houses, their works are seldom being praised, as if their work is not there. Now, when people are there inside the houses in this pandemic, they can understand the what is the work of the house, how from morning till evening, till they go to sleep, there are so many works women used to do at home. But during the French Revolution, women has to go out to do also work because their men were there for making constitutions inside a tennis ground. I think you remember it. But but what happens earlier also means they state schools were not there for women's. Women's are not allowed to go to schools, but after revolution they started making their own clubs. They also revolutionized for their own rights, right to vote, which were not given to them earlier. They were not considered as active citizens. So, these are the things for the women during the French Revolution, which has made their status very low in the society of France. So, this is a very important question, that is, what was the condition of women in France before the revolution? So after the revolution, in order to discuss and voice their interest, women started their own political clubs and newspapers. About 60 women clubs emerged in different French cities. The most famous was the Society of Revolutionary and Republican Women. They wanted to enjoy the same political rights as men, that is, right to vote, to be elected in the assembly, and to hold political office. Women's struggle for equal political rights during the revolutionary years inspired French women during the 19th and early 20th century. Finally, in 1946, French women own the right to vote. Means their revolution has given them fruitful result, and at last in 1946 they got the chance. Means they got their right for which they have fought, they have revolutionized, that is right to vote. So what was the condition before and how they have achieved their goal, their rights? This is the second question. So, once again, you go through the video and then try to write the important points in your rough copy. Thank you.